Hello and welcome to the new video on the topic called scope of services or scope of service sector in India. This topic is really deeply connected to our daily life and very important topic it is this, and we will understand this particular topic scope of service under the areas and branches of service sector in India. एक बार जरा आप लोग सोच के देखिए, सुबह उठने से लेके रात के सोने तक हमारी डेली लाइफ कनेक्टेड है सर्विस से। जहाँ से बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन से लेके फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन से लेके एजुकेशन से लेके हेल्थ केयर से लेके ट्रैवल टूरिज्म आईटी इंडस्ट्री एवरीथिंग एंड आवर लाइफ इज डायरेक्टली एंड इनडायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड विथ लॉट मेनी सर्विसेज एंड सर्विस सेक्टर। हम एंड जाने अनजाने में हम बहुत सारी सर्विसेज ले रहे हैं। As we all are human beings, we have needs, we have wants. To fulfill our need and wants, we take services. And by taking all these services, we make our life easy, simple, and fast. The developing country like in developing country like India, and this service sector is playing very important and very crucial role for the overall growth and development of our nation. And this service sector is contributing more than 50% to our GDP. And it's not only contributing to our GDP, but it's creating a millions of job to the Indian, and it is also coming up with a lot many innovations in the service sector as we all are experiencing and we all are taking the use of all these services. And this this service sector has lot many scopes. We will study this particular topic where different we will study the different types of service related business that is there in India, and we will this ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो सकता है, but we will understand in detail. So without wasting much time, now we will start with the question called scope of services. तो पहला स्कोप है सर्विसेज का बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल। ये हमारी लाइफ से डेली कनेक्टेड है। वी ऑल मेक फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शंस, वी ऑल नीड फाइनेंसेस एंड वी आर ट्रांसफरिंग, वी आर रिसीविंग द मनी, वी आर डूइंग द ट्रांजेक्शन रिलेटेड टू द फाइनेंसेस। इसके अंदर भी फर्दर स्कोप है और बहुत वैरायटी की सर्विसेज अंडर द बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज जो हम एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं अपने डेली लाइफ में। एग्जांपल रिटेल बैंकिंग। रिटेल बैंकिंग में जहाँ एक नॉर्मल कस्टमर अपना बैंक अकाउंट खोलता है, इट मे बी अ सेविंग अकाउंट, इट मे बी अ करंट अकाउंट, इट मे बी अ रिकरिंग एफडी। वहाँ पे हमें आपको कैश विड्रॉवल, कैश डिपॉजिट्स, क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड फैसिलिटीज, इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, so these comes under the retail banking services. Then there is a corporate banking. Under the corporate banking, the bank also give the services to the big companies, to the companies who have their accounts in their banks. They give loans to them. They finance for their businesses, project finance. Then consumer finance, as we all know, the very common and very popular in India when we go and enter into the market to buy any product. So if you don't have money, then you can finance that particular product. Say for example, if you want to buy a mobile, buy a computer, buy a laptop, so you can finance, you can get the money from these financial services provided by the Bajaj Finance or Bajaj Finserv. Then there is also scope under the banking and financial services, that is trade finance and foreign exchange services is also provided by the bank. Under the trade finance, the bank provide finances to the company who are involved in the import and export related business. So import and export finances are also provided by the bank. They also provide finance to the trade related. They also give a letter of credit. They also give the bank guarantees to their client, but bank guarantee is given by the bank only to those company who has a good reputation and good credit score. Then government banking services, lot many government schemes are going on, and banks are giving the services to the government also for implementing their scheme. For example, Jandhan account, then you have a Sukanya Samruddhi account. We all are very much familiar. Then a pension scheme, then pension management. All those government employees who retire, their pension is managed by the bank. So these all are the functions. Then digital payment, as we are using this digital payment, example GPay, Google Pay. Then you have Phone Pay. There are these all are the further scope under the banking of services. Next, we have very popular and very common services, that is insurance. As Indian people are getting aware, they are getting very serious about the insurance taking, और इंश्योरेंस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे डेली लाइफ में, बिकॉज वी आर लिविंग इन इंडिया। वी 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 में हम कभी भी बीमार पड़ सकते हैं, और हम ऐसी चीज़ों को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं आजकल, मार्केट में मिलावटी प्रोडक्ट मिल रहे हैं, अडल्ट्रेटेड केमिकल रिलेटेड प्रोडक्ट. So insurance, if you will take an insurance, then there will be a, you can minimize the risk of your life, of your health, and it is very important. So under the insurance, there are a lot many further services provided by the big Indian companies, insurance company, like life insurance, LIC, you have the example. Then हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेना बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है आप सबको. Then home insurance, it may be a building insurance, it may be a furniture insurance, it may be a fire insurance. Then travel, one trip or multiple trip insurance, student travel insurance, senior citizen travel insurance may be there, they are providing. और आजकल आपने देखा रहेगा जब आप रेलवे के ऊपर टिकट बुक करते हैं तो आईआरसीटी थर्ड पार्टी के थ्रू आपको इंश्योरेंस प्रोवाइड करती है. देन एग्रीकल्चरल इंश्योरेंस, it may be a crop insurance, it may be a weather insurance, it may be a farm equipment insurance. So lot many different ways and different products are there, which is provided under the services. Then we have trading and investment. The trading is taking much more popularity in India, and many young people and many people are attracted towards the trading and investment. And trading means buying and selling of shares, buying and selling of shares on an intraday basis or for some 1 or 2 days basis. Then in trading, there is a stock trading, equity trading, buying a particular share, buying and selling a particular share, that is called as trading. We have further derivative trading called option and future trading. Then you have commodity trading, then you have currency trading, forex trading, cryptocurrency trading. So these are the certain platforms, these are the certain companies who are providing this trading facility, like Zerodha, very popular, Grow, Upstock, HDFC Securities. So these are the example to understand you to get connected with all these services under the trading. So this is not my preference, it is just for the sake of knowledge and sake of understanding. और उसके बाद है इन्वेस्टमेंट. एज द इंडिया जितना ही अवेयर हो रहा है और उतना ही ज़्यादा लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं और इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टिंग की हैबिट को लेके आ रहे हैं. और इन्वेस्टिंग होता है स्टॉक में, इन्वेस्टिंग हो रहा है म्यूचुअल फंड्स के थ्रू, डेब्ट सिक्योरिटी, ईटीएफ, एक्सचेंज ट्रेडेड फंड्स. देन देयर यू हैव अ गोल्ड, you have a bonds. So these are also taking place. Then you have healthcare services. Healthcare is growing very fast and very rapidly in India. Related to the hospital and clinics, there is a group of chain of hospitals are there, like 40s Apollo hospitals. Then you have telemedicine. Telemedicine means nowadays you will get the access of online delivery of medicines, like we have the Practo and 1mg. You can have a virtual doctor prescription and suggestions and opinion through the consultation with the virtual doctor. You will get and you can get the medical treatment. We have the wellness and alternative medicine. India is one of the center of alternative medicine due to its ancient scientific knowledge related to the medicine, and this sector is growing super fast. Then you have information technology and IT enabled services. This era is of IT era, information era है. और इस इंफॉर्मेशन आईटी एरा और आईटी एनेबल हम डायरेक्टली एंड इनडायरेक्टली इस सेक्टर से काफ़ी कनेक्टेड, हमारा डेली लाइफ एंड डे टू डे लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. इसके अंदर आता है सॉफ्टवेयर, फर्दर स्कोप है सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां, यहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां दूसरे कंपनियों के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन सिस्टम बना के देती है. द बिग कंपनी, द पॉपुलर कंपनी, टीसीएस, टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, इन्फोसिस. देन वी हैव द बीपीओ, बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग. बिजनेस प्रोसेस आउटसोर्सिंग मतलब जहाँ पे कंपनी अपना नॉन कोर एक्टिविटी, अपना कंपनी का एक नॉन कोर बिजनेस फंक्शन किसी थर्ड पार्टी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देती है और उनसे अपना कंपनी का काम करा के लेती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं बीपीओ. So BPO, India is becoming one of the hub of BPO and leading in the world in the BPO. So more than 50 or 55% of the BPO work is there in India. So there are many companies involved in the BPO services, very popular. We know the Wipro, and then we have the KPO, knowledge processing outsourcing. इसमें क्या होता है, कंपनी अपने कोर एक्टिविटी को दूसरे से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके द एक्सपर्ट को हायर करती है और अपना मेन काम बाहर वाले से करा के लेती है, उसको बोलते हैं केपीओ, नॉलेज प्रोसेसिंग आउटसोर्सिंग. So these are the certain example of KPO, Sutherland companies there. Then you have cloud and data storage. Under the cloud, this is also gaining very popularity and very booming industry, cloud and data. ये इंफॉर्मेशन एज है जहाँ पे हर जगह इंफॉर्मेशन है और इंफॉर्मेशन से कनेक्टेड आपका बिजनेस है। तो आपके अपने बिजनेस को, आपके डेटा को स्टोर करना है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है। इसमें आ जाएगा आपका डेटा डेटा स्टोरेज, data privacy, data security, data backup. So lot many data cloud-based services are there. As we all are regularly using, there is a company called Dropbox where you can upload all the datas on the cloud, and you can access all these data, all these files on any device at any time, in any place, in any corner of the world. Like Google, we are using the Google product Gmail or Google Drive. We all have experienced that we can upload all our documents, our information on the cloud, and we can access all those information remotely at any time. So these are the company, and this is gaining very much popularity. Then we have education and training services. This sector is also booming very fast and playing very important role in the Indian economic growth and development. Under the further scope is there schools and universities are there. They are providing the services, educational services. There are a group of schools or a chain of schools are there. We have the university called University of Mumbai, Delhi University, Indian Institute of Technologies. So they provide the formal and academic educational services are giving. Then you have online and digital platforms are there where you can have a online learning, academic learning or non-academic learning. That big platform very popular, very common. That is Byju's or Unacademics. देन यू हैव अ कॉर्पोरेट ट्रेनिंग। जब एक बड़ी कंपनी किसी कैंडिडेट को हायर करती है अपने जॉब पे, तो उनको ट्रेनिंग जब दिया जाता है, तो ट्रेनिंग आजकल कंपनी सजेस्ट करती है कैंडिडेट को कि आप इस वेबसाइट पे जाके ये कोर्स, ये वीडियो आप देखें और खुद को प्रैक्टिस करें और खुद को ट्रेन करें। सो उसके लिए बहुत सारी वेबसाइट है, कोर्सेरा, अपग्रेड websites are there, and this is also increasing very fast, and people are liking these particular websites to develop their knowledge, to develop their understanding and skill. And there are certain skill development and training services provided by the NIT. Then AppTac, you all have heard about all these services. So these all are comes under the scope of under the sector called education and training services. Then we have further tourism and hospitality services. So there are the travel agencies. Travel agency services are there. Online travel agencies. You can plan your travel through MakeMyTrip, Yatra.com. You can have the booking of your tickets for this traveling. Then tourism from Thomas Cook India, and there are further hotel accommodation. The popular hotel, the Taj Hotel, Club Mahindra, Oyo rooms. So they provide the hotel accommodation. They arrange the accommodation for you in the hotel. Restaurant and food services, we are very popular, known called McDonald, Zomato, Swiggy, and this industry is also moving very fast and growing very fast. Then we have transportation and logistics services, as Indian government is investing a huge amount of fund in the development of infrastructure. So the transportation, the logistics sector and services is at the boom in India. Then there is a public transport like Indian Railway, Delhi Metro, Mumbai Metro. They provide affordable transportation at the cheapest rate. uh, then you have a courier, logistics and delivery services. The big company in this is Blue Dart, who provide courier and delivery services. Then our very famous, that is India Post, then DHL delivery, and lot many companies are involved in these services. So lot many companies are there. They are making a big income and they are growing very fast. They are providing big opportunities to the people. Then you have a ride services. As we all know, we all take the rides. आप सब ने कभी ना कभी राइड लिया रहेगा, आपने ओला बुलाया रहेगा, आपने उबर का सर्विस लिया रहेगा, कार सर्विसेज। देन real estate and construction services, that property development and sales. Under the further scope is property development and sales, that is Godrej Property, Tata Housing, DLF. देन रियल स्टेट ब्रोकिंग, आपको अगर फ्लैट भाड़े पे चाहिए, रेंट पे चाहिए, आपको अपना फ्लैट सेल आउट करना है, तो आपको उसके लिए बायर या सेलर चाहिए। सो यू these websites are there, these companies are there who will help you out through their website. That is 99acres.com, Magic Bricks. These are the certain example, but lot many more companies are there, lot many more platforms are there, and this company, this sector is moving very fast. Then you have होम रिनोवेशन एंड इंटीरियर। एशियन पेंट हम जानते हैं कि एशियन पेंट का मेन काम है पेंटिंग बिजनेस, बट दे हैव एक्सपांडेड देयर बिजनेस, दे हैव इंक्रीज, दे हैव डाइवर्सिफाइड देयर बिजनेस इन द interior also, involved in the business. Then live space, urban clap. Then media and entertainment. This is also one of the a service related business. You can say the branches of service sector. Under that, there are the further scope of services under the media and entertainment service, like television and broadcasting services. Z Entertainment, very popular. Star India, Sony Live. Then you have OTT platform, online streaming, online movie streaming. Also, the web series are there that everybody, somebody, sometime, and many of the time we all have access these all resources on the Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Sony Live, Z5. Then film production and distribution. We have the big film house production and distribution. Yes, Raj Film, Dharm Productions. Music streaming. आपने कभी ना कभी ये म्यूजिक यहाँ से इनके ऐप से, इनके वेबसाइट, इनके एप्लीकेशन से आपने सुना रहेगा, जियो सावन, गाना, अमेजॉन म्यूजिक. So this industry is growing very fast. This industry is also creating a lot many opportunities and lot many employment to our nation. एंड देन टेलीकॉम सर्विस. आज सबके पास मोबाइल है, सबके मोबाइल में सिम कार्ड है, और हम टेलीकॉम का सर्विस यूज कर रहे हैं. वो वोडाफोन हो सकता है, जियो हो सकता है, वो एयरटेल हो सकता है. देन मोबाइल ब्रॉडबैंड इंटरनेट, सबके घर में वाईफाई लगा हुआ है. सो देयर इज ए BSNL, MTNL, हैथवे, very popular. Then DTH, cable TV, Sky TV, Dish TV. Then retail and e-commerce services. So retail sector is also playing very important role, very crucial role for the growth and development of our nation, and they are contributing a good percentage to the GDP. We have the e-commerce platform like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopsy, India Marts. Lot many online shopping e-commerce platforms are there. हम सब ने कभी ना कभी इसको यूज किया है, यहाँ से हमने बाइंग की है. देन रिटेल स्टोर्स आर देयर, दे लाइक डी मार्ट, बिग बाजार, Reliance Fresh. So lot many Shoppers Stops, Pantaloons, lot many stores are there who are selling the product online and offline. So this service sector is also increasing very fast. And then security services. So these are the security services, various types of security services being provided by the company. Security guard services, cyber security. Then you have surveillance, CCTV solution in India, personal security uh, is there. Next, you have consultancy services. So a lot many consultancy services are there. Consultancy services like consultancy, legal services provided, then management consultancy, tax consultancies are there. So these are the certain scope of services, and or you can say the area of services or branches of service sector in India. So I think this is it from my side on the topic called scope of services. Today, we have seen the various areas or branches of service sector in India, or service related business in India. And these service related business that play very crucial role and very important role in the overall development of our nation. And these services we are taking now and then, regularly we are taking, and our life is connected with these all services, and we are making our life easy, simple, and fast by using all these services. So thank you very much for staying till the end, and I hope this video will help you. And if you found that this video is helpful for you all, then please like, subscribe, and share this particular channel, and this channel where the knowledge meets understanding. So we will see you in the next lecture. Till then, take much care of yourself. Thank you very much.